Everything lit. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Hi there, beautiful people. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys / trying on my wig that I got off Amazon. I know that most people are very like iffy when it comes to buying wigs of Amazon. I know I am too. I already did a lot of research to find like a good wig of Amazon. So this is it. They called it their Eunice Wear and Go glueless wig. It's supposed to be pre-plugged. It's HD Liz front. This is 150 density and sorry, my cat just came up here. If you get her crying, that's her. Hi, Elsa. This is 150 density and 20 inches. This is what she came in. We have the hair. We have the regular wig cap and some lashes. Man, this is a big lashes. I don't know, I don't go this big when it comes to lashes. And then oh, this is really nice, like a little band for your hair, like when you're gluing your wig down, just to like make it stay. I actually bought some of this already. If I would have known, I would not have spent money on this, but it doesn't hurt to have more than one. So that is that. That's where it came in. It's time to see what she looks like. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? This is actually really good. I mean, I'm not a wig guru, so but to me, Rose, this looks good. 20 inches. Let me see if I can put this back a bit so you guys can see her in her full length. This is what she looks like on the inside. Beautiful on the inside and out. Oh, I like that they have this like non-slip. Do you guys see that? Like rubber non-slip here. And I guess this is what makes it glueless, the elastic band, and they have the non-slip along this also, so that the band isn't slipping. Do you see this? It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna call her Nancy because I have an auntie back home in Liberia, and her hair, this hair kind of reminds me of her hair. So we're gonna call her Nancy. So far, I am not getting any shedding from this hair. Like nothing. Nothing. Alright, like one, guys. I say for Amazon wig, this is good. I really like how they did the back of it. Like when you try to put it up, it won't be all bulky. Do you like see this? Like how they sew this. It's really flat. But yeah. Oh my goodness. Alright, I need to wash it, but next time. Let's try her on, guys. Put her down here. As you can see, my hair is already prepped. I just kind of braided that and bobby pinned that down. That is it for me. That's what I do when I'm putting my wigs on. So the whole reason I went with glueless wig is because I'm just tired of like putting glue on my edges all the time. But if I have to, I will. So let's see if this glueless wig is actually glueless, you know? Alright guys, let's try Miss Nancy on. I guess we're gonna see if we can just wear her and go. So yeah, let's see how she looks. Oh boy. I can already tell like I'm not gonna be wearing her and going anywhere. So like not like this. She don't look bad, she just needs work. Obviously I need to cut the lace up front to my head size and stuff. So let's do that. Let me get this out of my face. Okay, it don't look as bad now that it's sitting there good to my own hairline, you know. I think once I do the edges and kind of like blend this side out, it will be looking good. Now I just have to plug away. Alright, so I don't like the over tweeze, so this is good for me. Ooh, too much. Go back, back, up, too little. There we go. I will leave the link to everything down below. And I don't have glue on my hair at all, so far this is coming out really good. So as you can see, the color got a lot more darker than it was before. And the direction on this said to reapply if you need to. So I probably will reapply because I want this to be ready to, especially like right here. Ooh, too much, too much, too much, too much. I wish it was bigger and a bit more tighter, but okay, I'm gonna take this hair down now. I'm just gonna use my mousse and kind of, oh, I hate this thing. Okay, on to the middle part. So to do my middle part, I always take a concealer and apply that straight down the middle. For more detailed cleaning, I'm going to take my brush and just kind of fix it. The way I want it. Alright guys, so now that I'm done fixing my middle part, I'm just going to go into my eyeshadow palette here and use this shade to just kind of blend out the lace a bit. Alright guys, this is the final look with the hair. My makeup is done, so this is what it looks like. The middle part looks fine. Again, it is glueless, not glued down, as you can see. But yeah, I really like the wig. I think it was worth it. I am not a wig guru, so I tried my best and did the best that I could with this wig. And honestly, this really saved my life with making this blend a lot more and look more seamless. So everything that I used in this video will be linked in the description below. So don't forget to check that out if you want to see what wig this is and if you want to get a direct link to the wig. Thank you guys so much if you watched this video from beginning to the end. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for coming and tuning in once again. I really appreciate it. So bye, see you guys next time. Mwah.